So you may have heard of Birkenstock or own a pair of their shoes, but today we'll be having a deep dive into their highly anticipated IPO. If you've never heard of the brand, let's give you an overview of Birkenstock. Founded in 1774, the company has become increasingly popular in the recent years. Birkenstock is known for its comfortable and supportive sandals. They have also expanded their product line to include other types of shoes, such as clogs, sneakers, and boots. Birkenstock is also a profitable company, with them last year generating over 740 million euros in revenue. So far, what do we know about the Birkenstock IPO? The German premium footwear brand is aiming for a $10 billion valuation in its initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. Birkenstock is planning to sell at least 32 million shares, priced between $44 and $49 a piece. At the top end of that range, the IPO would raise about $1.58 billion for the company. However, Birkenstock is entering the IPO market at a time where investor sentiment is mixed. On one hand, there is a strong demand for consumer brands with a loyal customer base. On the other hand, the stock market has been volatile in recent months, so some investors are just hesitant to commit to new investments. Despite the challenges, the company is in a good position to benefit from the growing trend towards comfortable and sustainable footwear. If the IPO is successful, Birkenstock could become one of the largest publicly traded footwear companies in the world. The IPO of Birkenstock Holding is expected to be on Wednesday, the 11th of October, 2023. Who are the anchor investors of Birkenstock? If you're not aware of anchor investors, they are institutional investors who agree to purchase a certain number of shares in an IPO at a fixed price before the IPO launches. These three companies are the anchor investors of Birkenstock. Number one, Francia Agache, the family holding company of Bernard Arnault, the chairman and CEO of LVMH. Number two, Norges Bank Investment Management, the Norwegian sovereign wealth fund. Number three, Durable Capital Partners, LP, a US investment fund. These three investors have committed to investing over $600 million worth of shares at the Birkenstock IPO. And for those who want to get involved, let me run you through how to invest in Birkenstock. If you have researched and understand the company, and you're interested in investing in Birkenstock IPO, here's what you should do. Number one, open a brokerage account with XTB and complete the necessary paperwork. Number two, fund your account with the amount you want to invest. Number three, consider setting up a stop loss order to manage risk. And number four, you can also start with an XTB demo account to practice trading. It is important to remember that investing in IPOs is a risky proposition. The price of shares in an IPO can be volatile. There's no guarantee that you'll make money. You should only invest in an IPO if you're comfortable with the risk that is involved. Overall, the Birkenstock IPO is a high risk, high reward investment opportunity. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to keep up to date with the latest trading and investing news.